Hi, welcome to Profitable Forex. In this video, I'm gonna give you a scalping strategy for boom and crash that's gonna make you a profitable trader, guys. Okay, right on my chart you can see that I have a trade running, and this is the 5 minutes chart for boom 1000, and we currently have 4 candlesticks in profit. Okay, guys, so how does the strategy works? Okay, the strategy, we are just using the moving average, just the moving average, the exponential moving average 25. So all you have to do is go to your indicator page and add it. Okay, so here we are on the indicator page. So all you have to do is add your indicator to your main chart and your moving average to your main chart. Okay, and these are the settings. Okay, we have moving average period 25, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and the star is 4 peso. And of course you can choose any color of your choice, but I chose blue. Okay, so after that you click on done, and you have your moving average in your chart like this. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna tell you how the strategy works. It's a simple strategy, easy to understand, beginner friendly, and it's gonna make you massive profit. Okay, so here we are on the 5 minutes chart. You have to work with the 5 minutes chart. Okay, work with the 5 minutes chart. So here we are on the 5 minutes chart with our 25 moving average. How do you identify an entry? Okay, a good entry position. Firstly, you have to identify that the previous trend was bullish. Okay, you have to identify that there was a previous bullish trend like we have here. Okay, like we have here, we had a previous bullish trend just like that, and that's one thing you should identify, previous bullish trend. And after that you have to identify that there was multiple rejection. Okay, I'm telling you that price has hit a resistance zone. Okay, as you can see, so previously the price was going higher high, you understand, higher high, higher high, and in there it couldn't break the high. Okay, the last high, couldn't break the last high. Okay, so having identified that, you should know that price has hit a resistance zone. Okay, and you have to wait before you take a trade. Let's say you want to take a trade on in an example like this. Okay, so after identifying a previous trend, after identifying the previous trend to be bullish, you identify that there has been multiple rejection. Okay, it's no longer going higher high, now it now starts going low high. Okay, lower high. Okay, now you have to wait for a lower high to occur at this zone, a lower high to occur like this. Okay, wait for a lower high to occur like this, forming a little triangle, okay, above your 25 moving average. Okay, your 25 EMA. Okay, so when you notice that a lower high has occurred and it formed a triangle like that above your exponential moving average, okay, you wait for a candle to close below your exponential moving average. Okay, wait for a candle to close. As you can see here, you have those candles closing below your 25 moving average, and as soon as you notice that a candle has closed below your 25 moving average, all you have to do is open a trade for a sell. You enter a sell position. Okay, and you take just 2 5 minutes candlestick. Okay, this is 5 minutes chart, guys. You take just 2 5 minutes candlesticks, and taking 2 5 minutes candlesticks, when you go to your lower time frame like the 1 minute time frame, you should have about 10 candlesticks, okay, in profit. So you take just 2 5 minutes candlesticks and you close the trade. Here's the trade. Okay, let me show you another trade setup. Okay, so we have another setup here. Okay, firstly you identify the price was initially bullish. Okay, it was making a series of higher highs. Okay, higher highs. Okay, higher highs, and it hit a resistance zone over here, and it started retracing downward, and it made a lower high. Okay, it made a lower high here. Okay, with it just above the 25 moving average, and it retraced below the 25 moving average, having a close of a candlestick. Okay, we'll have a close of a candlestick below the 25 moving average. Then you open your sell position and take just 2 candlesticks, guys, 2 candlesticks. Okay, don't be greedy. Okay, so that is that, and this is for boom 1000. Let's go check out crash. Okay, remember, if you're scalping, you have to use boom 1000 or crash 1000. It works for all the boom and crash. You can use boom 500, crash 500. You have many more candlesticks to scalp when you are using boom 1000 or crash 1000. So let's head over to crash 1000. Okay, here, so here we are on crash 1000. Okay, so if you're scalping on crash, you have to buy. Okay, now it has to be the reverse of boom. Okay, so what you have to identify firstly on crash 1000, you have to identify a previous downtrend. Okay, identify a previous downtrend. Let's see a good trade setup. Okay, like this. Okay, like the one we have here. So you identify a previous downtrend like this. Okay, this was a previous downtrend and it hit a support zone over here. Okay, as you can see that it hit a support zone over here and that support was never broken. Instead it started retracing. Okay, so a candlestick went further to close above. Okay, in the case of crash, it has to be above the moving average. Okay, so when you notice the candlestick closed above the 25 moving average, okay, you open a trade for a buy. Okay, you enter a buy trade and you take just 2 5 minutes candlesticks and you are done. Okay, as you can see that even before the spike, okay, you have gotten your profit, and even after the spike you can also, when it closed below, wait for it to close below to close above the 25 moving average and you open a trade for a sell and you can ride all this profit, guys. So that is how to use the strategy to scalp your boom and crash profitably. Okay, so if you got value from this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for many more great, amazing strategies, trading strategies that will make you a profitable trader. Boom and crash is easy to trade using the strategy. Okay, so that is how to use the strategy to trade, and to show you that this strategy is a blast, I want us to go back to check our trade. Okay, let's go back to boom 1000 and check our trade to see how it's progressing. Oh my god, can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Can you see this? How many candlesticks do we have? Ah, how many candlesticks do we have? Can you see that? Can you see that? So this strategy is a blast, guys. So I want you to go ahead and use the strategy to milk your broker and start making profits. Okay, bid loss goodbye, bid loss goodbye.